Hello everyone, 안녕. I'm Sarah and welcome to Seoul Food Kitchen. Do you know what this is? This is dried laver, or in Korean, kim. Kim is one of Korea's most popular side dishes or banchan to eat with rice. When my foreign friends first tried eating kim, they were a little freaked out about the idea of eating seaweed, but now they love it. Everyone in Korea eats kim, and personally, I've never met a Korean kid who doesn't like it.
맛있다.
One of my friends asked me why Korean people love kim, and I told her that it's sort of like white bread. At first it tastes really bland, but the flavors change according to what you add to it, and the different ways of cooking can turn it into something that's totally different. That's why we never get sick of it. Let me show you some of the different dishes that you can create with a sheet of laver. This is Korean kimbap, or rice rolls, which are wrapped with a thick sheet of roasted laver. You can also make jumokbap, or rice balls coated with flakes of laver. I stuffed this one with a tuna and mayo filling. This is kim keranmari, or Korean egg rolls, which contain a sheet of laver. I love these super crunchy fried laver chips, which are called kimbugak. This is kimmari. Seasoned glass noodles are wrapped in laver and then deep fried. I love eating it with spicy tteokbokki sauce. You can even pickle laver. This is called kimjangachi. Savory laver soup can be made with egg and green onions. Kim chaban, or seasoned laver flakes, are perfect for adding extra taste to rice. I think I just cooked an entire meal using just laver, right? But of course, don't feel like you need to cook all these dishes yourself. The simplest and the tastiest way to eat kim is with a hot bowl of rice. I see a lot of tourists buy kim, so today I wanted to show you the different varieties of kim that you can buy and how to cook and eat it at home. So, let's go shopping! I'm going up the escalator at E-Mart, which is my local hypermarket. This is the section that you should be looking for, 건해산, dried seafoods. Are you feeling a little confused? I buy the small packages of kim as emergency food when I go travelling with my children. If you don't have a rice cooker at home, or you don't cook rice that often, I suggest that you buy these. Instant cooked rice, or hetban. 2 minutes in the microwave gives you a hot, fresh bowl of rice, and it's the perfect complement for dried laver. Okay, so let's head back home. You can basically divide kim into 4 different categories. This is kimbap kim, which is used to make rice rolls. You'll see here that it says 구운 김. That means the laver has already been roasted for you. It's quite thick and it doesn't tear easily, so it's used to make these, kimbap. In Korea, you'll also find these triangular shaped kimbap called 삼각김밥. You can buy it at any convenience store and it only costs around 1,000 won. Let me show you how it's opened. They have numbers here, so number 1, number 2, number 3, and basically all you have to do is pull these numbers in order. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Yep, there you have it, a triangular shaped kimbap. Next, we have 조미김, or roasted and seasoned laver. So the laver's already been cooked and salted for you, so it's very convenient. All you have to do is open the package and eat it. Roasted laver tends to get soggy quite easily, so they come in these single servings called 도시락 kim, which means lunchbox size kim. It's about the size of my palm, and each box comes with around 10 sheets, which is plenty to eat a bowl of rice. This is my favorite type of kim. It's called 생김 or uncooked kim. So you need to roast the laver yourself at home once you buy this. Here it says 재래 돌김. 재래 means that it's traditional style. 돌김 means that the laver grows attached to rocks at sea. There's also another type of kim that's quite popular, and it's called 파래김. 파래 refers to green algae. This is 돌김, and I told you that it grows on rocks in the sea, so it has these natural holes in it. This is 파래김, and you can see that because of the green algae, the kim has a much greener color. The green algae or 파래 has a strong fragrance. I prefer 생김 or uncooked kim because you can roast it yourself and season it to suit your taste. You can use a frying pan to cook laver. Warm the pan on low heat and add a sheet of laver. Press it down a few times so it cooks evenly. Add another sheet of laver, then turn the sheets over and press down again a few times. Repeat this process to cook as many sheets as you like. And there you have it. Easy peasy, do it yourself, super crunchy roasted laver. If you can't be bothered to do that, you can preheat your oven to 180 degrees, enter about 5 sheets of laver, cook for 5 minutes. I also make my own sauce to dip the laver in. It's a mixture of simple essential Korean ingredients like soy sauce, sesame oil and garlic. So I'm going to try my home cooked laver. Wrap it up. Dip it in the sauce. If you want to season the laver with salt, brush it with either sesame or perilla oil, then sprinkle salt on top before cooking. This is 김자반 or seasoned laver flakes. Flakes of laver have been roasted and seasoned, so usually we just sprinkle this on top of rice and eat it. You can roll balls of rice in this to make an easy, tasty snack for kids. So if you go wildly crazy on your shopping spree for laver in Korea and you buy too much, don't forget that the best way to store laver is to put it in an airtight bag and store it in the freezer. So as you can see, laver is really versatile and there are tons of ways to eat it, and it's the perfect complement to rice. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be uploading more videos about what to eat in Seoul, where to eat in Seoul, how to cook Korean food in your own kitchen. So I'm going to eat all these laver dishes that are sitting in front of me, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye! 다음에 또 만나요!